Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and today I am introducing a brand new color glitter to my line of glitters that I already have available in my Etsy shop. All of the colors that I have mixed for you guys so far are all colors that sell quite often in my own shop. Being a tumbler maker myself and selling over 3,000 custom tumblers, I just wanted to bring something that would go big in your shop as well. This is a big summer seller, Flamingo Sunshine. This is my newest color. Every summer, this color combination sells so much, and I wanted to bring it to you guys. This is a chunky coral mix with opals and hot pink and yellows. When this is applied to a tumbler, it is a very light coral, and it has hints of that yellow and that hot pink just flashing through it. When applied to a coaster mold, it turns more of a bright coral, like a neon coral almost. It is a very happy color and one of my favorite summertime colors as well. As always, I suggest using the epoxy method when applying it to your tumblers. This glitter is 100% my creation. I hand mixed it and I hand bagged it just for you guys. You can find this brand new color along with all of my other colors that I have available in my Etsy shop. That link to my Etsy shop is available in the description below. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more tips, tutorials, vlogs, or products I have coming your way. And I will see you guys next time.